Welcome to Lesson 11 of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of two consonant letters, S and Z. These letters are taught in the same lesson because they have certain similarities in pronunciation. Let's first look at the letter S. The letter S is generally pronounced as a voiceless consonant S. As mentioned in lesson 5 of this class, the Dutch consonant S is similar to the consonant in the English word say, but they're not exactly the same. The Dutch consonant S sounds somewhere between the English consonant S, as in the English word gas, and the English consonant sh, as in the English word ash. Let's look at 3 examples. Sop, slang, mes. In some words of foreign origin, the letter S is pronounced as a voiced consonant Z. For example, basal, analyse, visie. It's difficult to distill a clear and simple rule for such words. So I'm afraid you'll have to learn the pronunciation for these words separately as you come across them. Fortunately, there are not too many of them, so don't worry, you don't have to memorize a lot. The letter S may appear together with the letters CH to form a letter combination. In general, this is pronounced as sch. For example, schaak, scheef, schrijven. However, if the letter combination SCH appears at the end of a word, it's generally pronounced as a voiceless consonant S. So in this case, the letters CH are silent. Let's look at 3 examples. Logisch, magisch, medisch. The letter S may also appear together with the letter J to form a letter combination. This is generally pronounced as sh. As mentioned in lesson 5, the Dutch consonant sh sounds similar to the consonant in the English word ash, but the lips are slightly less protruding when the Dutch consonant sh is pronounced. Let's look at 3 examples. Schau, schabloon, schoemelen. Now let's look at the letter Z. This is generally pronounced as a voiced consonant Z. It's the voiced counterpart of the voiceless Dutch consonant S. Let's practice 3 example words. Zaad, zes, zon. Before we conclude this lesson, it's worth mentioning that nowadays many native Dutch speakers pronounce the letter Z as a voiceless consonant S. At least in the following 2 words, the letter Z is commonly pronounced as a voiceless consonant S. Please read after me. 60, 70. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.